So if you're looking for an AI logo generator that is free and you want to base your logo on another brand you love, say for example, Dad Gang. I'm a huge fan of these hats, really cool logo, high quality, but I want to mimic that logo with my logo. So again, use the free tool, chat.com, and we're going to upload by clicking that plus sign and uploading that inspiration logo that we want to mimic in our design. So again, use my custom prompt. This one, we're changing it to a specific new text we want to use in that logo. So we'll update that text and leave everything else as is. We've added our inspiration logo that we want to mimic and just click submit. Once you have your custom logo created, your next step is to create swag, whether it's a sweater, a t-shirt, a portrait, or a custom embroidered hat, which we provide at Kharity.com. That is charity with a K, Kharity.com, customize, and here you can submit your logo, your text, or email us info@Kharity.com with your preferred hat color, embroidery color, hat fabric, whether it's cotton or corduroy, and then we'll get back to you with a quote depending on the quantity you want. But we also offer no order minimums, so you could just order one custom hat. So just email us that logo or submit the text right here for your free mockup. So let's go back to chat.com to check on our custom logo. And there we go. Our custom logo is complete. So we'll just download that, click this download button, and email us that for adding to your custom swag.